Ever wonder what a full day's roof replacement looks like from a bird's eye view? Come up with us and take a look. Okay, so just wrapping up the tear off process this morning, which is easily the most messiest part of the day, but we like to take extra precautions and lay tarps down around the entire perimeter. This not only helps with cleanup at the end of the day, but it keeps the home nice and tidy throughout the entire install. Now let's check out the mid-roof process. All right, so after a quick coffee break, we are all dried in. Time to start the final phase. The best part, the shingles. So we're in the final phase of the day where we're wrapping up the roof. We're finishing cleaning up and getting the property looking like we were never here. Any nails we find, we'll use a high power magnet just like this here around the entire perimeter to make sure that it's spotless. You guys ready to see the final product? Let's head up. All right, everybody, well, that's a wrap. Again, this is George with Red Rock Roofing, where we stand for greatness. Have a good day.